So hello guys, welcome back to our the logical philosopher channel. I think these people are playing very loudly song in background right now. It's 12:15 in the night, and Indian people are enjoying. See how they enjoying this in this night. I don't understand. If I want to sleep, I no rights. I have to go there and tell them that why you are playing this much of loudly song. No, if I am doing this means uh, this, they will again give me the bad word answer and like this. They will tell me that you don't have right to speak like this. So this is the situation in India. Sorry. So okay, but I what I told you that right last time I was discuss on education system. Okay, again, education system is very bad in India, and we are trying to in ground level. Many teachers are good teachers are there, but they don't have getting the proper school building. Also construction is very low quality, and there are competition also. Some English school are there and native language school are there. If my native language is Marathi or my native language is Hindi, means there is their native school is also and English school is also. But some people have good enough money to uh, take the proper admission in proper school for their child, and very poor people are there. They don't have this much of money. How can get the good the admission in that English school? So they admit their child to in our native school. Okay, after that they are struggling for one means education material like notebook, and this is I told you that first. But building is also not good. They don't have getting the proper drinking water. Students are not drinking water. If they drink will if they will give the facility for drinking water, okay, the school management will uh, come in trouble. Oh man, this much of expense, how can we survive? How can we getting the payment like this? This is the condition. And payment for a teacher is good, more than enough. No problem for their payment. Only facility, zero facility, no facility. And government is not taking care about this. They just playing the game with them also. Okay, this is not our job. Like, what can we do? What can I do? We are government. We are running the country, and you are asking me the little question. Why you don't have this much of rights? And this rural area people don't know the right proper their right also. So very bad situation, man, very bad. I think if this condition will change, after that India will change. Before that, no any chance. So this is my thoughts, uh, and on these thoughts are on real condition, not any fake. All the conditions are real. If you are from US and Europe, and you guys are thinking that India is a very good country and the people are very good and that this that, okay, this is your thought because your thought are good. But in ground level, you come here in rural area and then you observe our lifestyle. our culture and all the things. Our culture is good, but what about our lifestyle? What about our basic needs? You just document on our all things. After that, your country people will realize, and then our leader will wake up. Oh man, these people are noticing our poverty, and how can we change this condition? After that, they will wake up. But this is only the conversation, but this is not in real condition. You know that also. This will not come in real condition. Your people, your country are developing. They are you people are growing and experiencing the many good things in your life, in your family, and you enjoying your life, man. But in India, for basic needs, we are struggling. Okay, and this is not for one day, 1 month. This is for our lifetime. So not any good life for us. And I am an educated person, man. I am an educated person. I am an artist. I told you before that. But this is my thought that no any condition that people are surviving here uh, on right way, and that's why the crime rate is also increasing in our country. If someone is not money in to survive on or will survive their family, definitely these people will turn to the wrong way and take it wrong way, and they do some crime whatever for money, little bit of money. So this is happening. So I think this is our condition, and you guys better know that many people know that India is this type of country. See, I don't have interest to showing my country's poverty and speak about that. I am also interested that my country is good and I am proud of my country. But when this situation will change, that time after that I will definitely tell you, say that my country is good. I am proud of my country and all the conditions. But right now it's not possible because uh, if I am saying this fake things to you, that means I am also not a loyal person. Okay, and I don't like this. This is my honest comment, and this is my honest channel. So it's very difficult to survive in India. You go urban side and people are enjoying. They are really uh, enjoying their life, and they just uh, means they do whatever they like to do. But because they have money and they can do anything, many things in their life. But in rural area, there is many problems. These people are really struggle for their basic needs. So how can they think about enjoyment and doing any good, enjoying festivals? And if you now the Christmas is coming from tomorrow itself, and you people see, you people will enjoy your uh, party, that your new year celebration and Christmas celebration also. But for India, Indian people, no enjoyment. I told you, this is your festival, that Christmas very you are enjoying, but in our country Diwali is very big festival, but many people don't have food for eating, no meal, no clothes, nothing. They don't have anything. How can they enjoy their life? Many educated people trying to go job, they will not get a proper job, or they will not get a job, no any job, single job. So how can they survive? How can they go and happy to be a happy with their family? Not possible. And many educated people, they have the engineer degree, and they have completed their MBA degree also, and they are working as a waiter, they are working as a labor contract. Okay, because they are not getting the right job on right time. Only they are applying for job and not getting the right job, that's why they are working like this. So man, this is the problem in India. So I think we will discuss on next video. This video is, I think, complete 12 minute, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you like this video, you want to share this to with your family or friends, you can share this. Till then, thank you so much. Till then, goodbye.